What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your engine air filter on this 2021 Toyota Sienna. Alright, so first you're going to remove this clip. You're going to push it back. There's 1 and 2 right here, so you're going to push back 1 and another one right here, you can't see. And then you're going to lift it off the 2 hinge down the bottom right here. So you're going to lift up and out of the way. And here is the engine air filter. Here's the new engine air filter. I'll be taking off the plastic and putting it in. So now I'm going to put the engine air filter back in, lift it up, put it in the slot, and then you slide it on top of the hinge, and then you push the clip back in, or back on the box. Also, it's recommended that you change the engine air filter every 30,000 miles, and that's how you change your engine air filter on the 2021 Toyota Sienna.